If a serious brand owner connects with you after this episode, what's one thing you typically show them that changes how they look at their PPC performance?
First off, I would love to decide and do my due diligence and see if they are serious or not, because we would be defining serious as someone who's spending 6 figures to 7 figures. They are just because they're spending that or they're making that revenue, it's not. So I would personally just due diligence, is this really a serious brand or not? The example I just gave is like, hey, is this person, do they know their numbers? Can they say confidently no immediately? That is a serious business person, even if they make like 5 figures right now. So that is the first thing. Then I would show them what is the importance of hiring different levels when it comes down to PPC, because under PPC management, PPC manager is the junior, intermediate, and advanced. We are advanced. We are pricing for advanced. I have no problem with junior. I started there. So I did not ask for more than $500 and I managed this big brand. I learned a lot. They got my time and also my efforts and the results. Right now, the advanced strategy and so on with like figuring out right away, that's what they're paying for. They're not paying for my management, my $99 software that I'm putting on their account to work. So I think that is something that if you're serious as business owner, you're going to see. You submitted questions. You showed me that you actually care what the outcome is. For me, that means that you prove me seriousness. I'm taking you seriously. I'm going to deliver my best. So it's very much the same way. If someone is serious already, they're going to notice. If they are not serious, no matter how much money, no matter how much time, no matter what strategy, how advanced you are, how much training, how much preparation, how much skills that you have, they're not going to see it. Therefore, they're going to consider that the $99 software is better than you are.